Hello guys, this is Ninja God Ivan, and today's tutorial we're gonna, you know, not we, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use if and else conditions. So what are if and else conditions? So basically, those conditions include lines of codes that will be executed if the conditional statement is true. Okay, so let's get out the script first. So insert object, and then we're gonna insert a script. Okay, so let's declare a variable. So we'll say name equals, say Jack. Okay, name equals Jack. So 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 in order for you to use an if condition, so then you will have to say something like this. So you say if name is Jack, so then you're gonna print something. Oh, whoops. Then print cool name. Okay. Else I'll just put I like your name. Okay, because I don't want to be too offensive. Okay, just because someone's name is Jack, because everyone has a cool name. You know what I mean? I, I'm I'm just using it as an example. Okay, so please don't be offended if I say Jack is a full name, cool name. This is just a demonstration. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. Okay, so if name is Jack, so which it is, so then we're gonna print this. Otherwise, if this conditional statement isn't true, so we'll just print out I like your name. So if you were to run this, so let's say cool name, right? It will say cool name, it prints this out. So if I say Fred, okay, so if I run this, so now it's just saying changes to I like your name because Fred is because obviously Fred is not Jack. Okay. You can also use other operators. So then let me declare a to something else. So a equals 10. So if a is greater than 15, so we can say something like, oh, whoops, a is a is greater than 15, else a is less than 15. So if you were to run this, so then this actually knows, oh yeah, if I were to run this, so let me say that a is greater than 15 because 17 is greater than 15. So if I change it to 12, so then now it's just going to say that a is less than 15. Okay, so now let's go play around with the parts now. Okay, we can just get the part here. Okay, so now you can use if and else conditional statements. So for those of you who have been programming C++ and Java, and that your programs are just basically out only displaying on the in the output bar. So then you can also use conditional statements to change the properties of the part or anything else. Okay. So let's put the script inside. We're gonna we're gonna declare an object. So we're gonna get access to the object. So we're gonna use color. So color equals red. Okay. So if color is red, then we're gonna do something. Then part dot we're gonna get the color. Okay, let's see. Let's see which is close to red. We could just use really red. So we'll get this here. Oh yeah, we also have a thing called else if. So else if this condition is not true, so then we'll go to the next statement. So else if color is blue, then we're gonna go and change the color for this. Okay. So really blue. Else, forgot this. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. From our RBG, we'll get green, we'll get lime green. Okay. So basically, this is how it works. Okay. So if one of the conditional statements is true, right, then basically it'll just jump to end. Okay. So if you were to have a couple of, let's say you have 2 out of 5 conditional statements that are true, right? So then if the second condition is, if it's true, so then it's not gonna go. Then they'll stop. It's not gonna go continue through other conditional statements, right? So if condition true, for example, if condition two, for example, is true, so then it will just jump to end. Okay. So then if we were to run this, so then the color changes to red. Okay. Okay. So then if we were to change this, so if I say blue, and it changes to blue, and let's say that, okay, let's say I didn't put anything here. Okay. Because color is an empty string, because blue isn't an empty string. So then what's going to happen is that it's going to change to green. Okay. You don't have to put color equals green. But if you want the code to make more sense, so then you can just say this. But then if none of the conditional statements are true, it'll not do anything. So if I take out this, for example, it's really not going to do anything. So it's just going to stay as black. Okay. As you can see, if I run this again, it's going to stay black. Unless you specify that the color is green, then it will change it to green. Okay. So this is all I have right now. Okay. Hopefully this tutorial helps you in creating games. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys subscribe, and then there will be more Roblox Lua tutorials. Okay. So stay tuned. See ya.